Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Medical Surgical Nursing 1 question paper for BSc Nursing second year students. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year November 2018. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. The question paper code is 337. Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada, BSc Nursing Degree Examination, November 2018. Medical Surgical Nursing 1 new scheme. The time allotted is 3 hours and the maximum marks allotted is 75 marks. Answer the following questions. So under this you have 3 sessions, that is essay session, short note session and brief answer session. First is essay session. Write an essay on any two of the following. So they will be giving 3 essay questions. Out of those 3 essay questions, you have to answer only 2. 2 into 15 is equal to 30 marks. First question, Mr. X, 64 years old man, is admitted with the diagnosis of benign prostatic hypertrophy. Answer the following. Mr. X, 64 years old man, is admitted with the diagnosis of benign prostatic hypertrophy, that is BPH. Answer the following. 1A is define benign prostatic hypertrophy, which is for 2 marks. Define benign prostatic hypertrophy is 1A. 1B, list out the clinical manifestations of benign prostatic hypertrophy, that is 4 marks. 1B is list out the clinical manifestations of benign prostatic hypertrophy is 4 marks. 1C, describe the surgical procedures done for benign prostatic hypertrophy. 1C, describe the surgical procedures done for benign prostatic hypertrophy, 4 marks. 1D, explain the pre and post-operative management of Mr. X. 1D, explain the pre and post-operative management of Mr. X, that is 5 marks. So 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15 marks. Second question, define renal calculi. 2A is define renal calculi, 2 marks. 2B, what are the types, clinical manifestations and diagnostic procedures of renal calculi, 8 marks. 2B, what are its types, clinical manifestations and diagnostic procedures of renal calculi, 8 marks. 2C, what are the probable surgical interventions, 1-day menu plan and nursing management for renal calculi. 2C, what are the probable surgical intervention, 1-day menu plan and nursing management for renal calculi, 5 marks. So 2 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 15 marks. Third question, 3A, define fracture, which is for 2 marks. 3A, define fracture, which is for 2 marks. 3B, explain the types, complications of fracture, 7 marks. 3B, explain the types, complications of fracture, 7 marks. 3C, write post-operative nursing care and applying nursing process for femur fracture. 3C, write post-operative nursing care and applying nursing process for femur fracture, 6 marks. 2 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 15 marks. Next, write short notes on any 5 of the following. Fourth question, immunity. Fourth question, immunity. Fifth question, nephrotic syndrome. Fifth question, nephrotic syndrome. Sixth question, intercostal drainage. Sixth question, intercostal drainage. Seventh question, hemorrhoids. Seventh question, hemorrhoids. Eighth question, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Eighth question, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Ninth question, care of patient with anemia. Ninth question, care of patient with anemia. 10th question, universal precautions. 10th question, universal precautions. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25 marks. So they will be asking 7 questions. Out of those 7, you have to answer only 5. Next is moving on to brief answers. Write brief answers of the following. Each question carries 2 marks. They will be giving 10 questions. You have to answer all the 10 questions. 10 into 2 is equal to 20 marks. 11th question, list 2 complications of tracheostomy. 11th question, list 2 complications of tracheostomy. 12th question, write 4 clinical manifestations of pulmonary edema. 12th question, write 4 clinical manifestations of pulmonary edema. 13th question, mention 2 investigations done to rule out vascular disease. 13th question, mention 2 investigations done to rule out vascular disease. 14th question, define fumigation. 14th question, define fumigation. 15th question, enumerate the stages of illness. 15th question, enumerate the stages of illness. 16th question, drugs used in intensive care unit. 16th question, drugs used in intensive care unit. 17th question, list the causes of gastritis. 17th question, list the causes of gastritis. 18th question, enlist the types of hernia. 18th question, enlist the types of hernia. 19th question, enumerate the types of shock. 19th question, enumerate the types of shock. 20th question, classify pneumothorax. 20th question, classify pneumothorax. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you want answer key for this question paper, please post it in comment section so that we will make the answer key in the near future and post it in our channel. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box, suggested end card and iCard. Also, you can watch our channel playlist for more videos. Thank you friends. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel.